Have you ever wondered why some people snore while sleeping? Basically, normally when we breathe, the air goes through our nose or mouth to the throat and then through the windpipe to the lungs. Now what happens is that when we are awake, each and every muscle of our body is working properly. None is in a relaxed condition, but when we sleep, the muscles of our body become relaxed. That means the muscles of the throat will also relax. Due to this, the place from where the air enters will shrink a bit. Then when the air enters, due to the reduced space, it will create pressure here. And because of the pressure, these relaxed muscles will start vibrating and we start snoring.